you are currently watching this video right now, you are currently watching the brand new and improved Megatoad channel. I'm at the Megatoad Stonie channel. If you have followed me from my last video, you know what's up and you know what's about to go down. If you haven't, and this is your first time viewing me sitting here with this shirt, this watermelon placemat, and the toad. Since I've started a new channel, I'm obviously starting from scratch. And I need your help. Losing a couple thousand subscribers and hundreds and thousands of video views was very painful. So please, please, please support the Megatoad channel. If you liked my weekly eating videos, or would like to see my weekly eating videos, I will be posting all of those videos, as well as many of the old ones, to this channel. So please click the link right here, subscribe to the new Megatoad channel. But if my kind words alone have not convinced you that I'm worthy of 5 seconds of your time to subscribe, I have prepared for this, and I am willing to prove to you that I am worthy of your subscription. So what I have here today, I've not been looking forward to this, is I have a jar of mayonnaise. Pure, craft, mayo, real mayo, with no artificial flavors. I'm going to sit here for as long as I need to, eating this mayonnaise out of this jar, with this spoon, with this toad watching me, until you feel that I have earned your time and your subscription. A jar of mayonnaise, and this is no vanilla pudding, wimp out, try to look cool stunt. This is mayonnaise. This is no playing around. Here we go. And again, slow and painfully. Please guys, please subscribe to my channel. Please end this as soon as you possibly can. I just put it on the table. Right. Oh. What? Oh my god, that was bad itself. Alright. Oh man, okay. This is for you guys. It's not gonna be fun. Get a quick zoom in. Alright. Good? Oh man. Oh. Alright. Please subscribe as soon as you can. I don't want to be here for too long. God. This is salty. Please subscribe. I really... Please subscribe. Gross. Alright. Well, just finished this jar of mayonnaise. Finished the jar. Mayonnaise, just put down, what, 5,400 calories of fat. For approximately 600 grams fat. If you're still watching this, you're probably not subscribed yet. I'm prepared for this. I just ate this jar of mayonnaise. I knew there was going to be some people who's going to be hard to buy. So I got a second jar of mayonnaise. I'm dedicated. Megatoad is all about hard work, dedication, whatever the hell you call this. Oh. Good ass mayonnaise. Never had mayonnaise so good in my life. Chicken teriyaki or something. Alright, forget it. If you're not subscribed by now, please subscribe. If you're not going to subscribe after a jar and a quarter of mayonnaise, I don't know what's going to get your subscription. Please subscribe. This is a new main channel, Toad. Oh my god.